We have 4 simple instructions. We also have a QR code to watch a video of how to use it. So, step 1, take the lid off. The lid is protecting the black tip on top. Okay, step 2, take the striker off. Now, imagine this the side of a matchbox. Imagine the black tip, the top of a matchstick. Okay, step 3 is you're putting the two together away from your face and you're striking it. Once you strike that, you'll see the vapour start coming out. There's no pressure, you've got nothing to be scared of, and it's going to take lots and lots of time. You've got 50 seconds here or 100 seconds. Take your time and be calm. Point it at the base of the fire. Let the vapours do the work. You'll start seeing, as the vapours start attacking the flame, you'll see the flame starting being pushed back. And then what you do is you just walk the fire out. If it's in a confined space, you can then just put it out. Again, don't forget, bit of safety advice, do not tackle any fire bigger than a waste paper bin.